Hey friends, this is Ampleforth here and welcome to the new update on Forth. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Forth has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart, and this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you on a daily time frame chart in my previous video. You can see that here on this 7 days time frame chart, first we broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, then we had a nice short pump but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $9 that was previously breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. And by the way, before that, it had been working as support here as well, and again worked as a resistance, and also formed this falling wedge pattern. And after this big drop, finally the price has broken out the next falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Forth that I shared a few days ago on 4th of October 2024 with my members. And this signal has produced almost 50% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Forth that I shared a few days ago on 4th of October 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Forth completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up from the buying on, and you can see that it moved beyond the sell target line. This was almost 50% pump only on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Forth. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this wedge. And after getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, finally we broke out the wedge, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $3,300, $3.30, not $3,300. And you can see that previously it had been working as a resistance here, and resistance here. And again, it worked as a strong resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this move to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance of $3.30. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that this is the second falling wedge pattern that recently it has broken out. On the 7 days time frame chart, previously we broke out this very big long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that it was stuck inside this next falling wedge pattern. Now the technical target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $9. And over there we have another quite long-term resistance that was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And the long-term technical target for the breakout from this previous and bigger falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $26 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.